Former police officer Mark Torre Jr. back in court today, where it was revealed that he could be using self-defense as a defense strategy for his upcoming trial. Here's more.
They were here today to discuss possible situations that could further delay the trial, such as processing of DNA evidence and collecting DNA samples from Mark Torre Jr., who's facing charges of murder and aggravated assault in the fatal shooting of fellow police officer Sergeant Albert Piolo. Judge Michael Bordallo says he wants that done as soon as possible.
What I'm going to order that the swabbing be done in the next 2 weeks and those materials be sent out. All right, so we can get that to the FBI.
On top of DNA samples and review of psychiatric testing, lead prosecutor Phil Tydinko also revealed what kind of defenses Torre could be using for his trial. After the hearing, we asked Tydinko to elaborate on the possible defense strategies Torre could use.
As you heard, among the defenses that they have disclosed was duress, self-defense, justification, mistake, ignorance, intoxication were some of the defenses they've disclosed. And
so they may be using self-defense as a possible defense during trial?
Yes. In addition to reasonable doubt defense, they've disclosed that they may use a self-defense, which is an affirmative defense, meaning they're going to have to prove it. Of course, at the same time, I'm going to be required to disprove it also.
Many of the concerns brought up in court will likely delay the start of the trial, such as additional DNA testing. Although Judge Bordallo set a trial date of June 13th, he acknowledged that it is tentative, and it was only set to give the FBI a time frame as to when the test results would need to be sent back.
More than likely, the testing won't be completed unless there's a firm trial date. So June 13th will be the trial date. Not a firm trial date, but there has to be a trial date in place for the FBI to know when the testing has to be completed.
How is the family reacting to the possible delay of the trial?
Well, I don't want to guess at how they feel about it, but like anybody else, nobody likes a tragedy to be delayed and dragged on. Of course, I mean, I'm guessing, but they can't like it. But I'm sure they understand it, that they want the people to be prepared to put on the best case that we can.
Torre's next hearing is scheduled for June 3rd at 9 a.m.